The Dow plummeting over 1,000 points into correction territory, fear of higher interest rates keeping Wall Street on edge. This says the U.S. economic growth story has not changed. U.S. jobless rates at historic lows. Jobless claims dropped to near 45-year lows. Meantime, there are now 337 companies giving tax reform bonuses and much more back to their workers. Joining me now to talk about that and much more, Trump Organization Executive Vice President. He is President Trump's son, Eric Trump. Eric, good to have you on the show.
Liz, it's great to be with you.
What's your reaction to the market sell-off today?
Quite frankly, I think it's probably healthy. You had a beautiful guest on before who I think said it so well. I mean, every facet of the economy is strong, right? In the last 12 months, we went from 17,000 to 26,500 actually. You know, now we're at 24,000. But I mean, we've had 30% growth in the market, you know, this year alone. We've had huge job growth. We've had huge wage growth. We've had incredible tax cuts. You just mentioned the 337, companies that gave kind of discretionary bonuses, let alone obviously what the tax cut is infusing into the economy. You know, you have the highest consumer confidence that we've ever had. You've had the lowest African American unemployment that we've ever had in this country. Jobs are coming back. Apple is investing $350 billion in this country, and we're doing really, really well. But remember, we went from 17,000 to well over 26,000 in under a year, and it was 40% growth of the overall market. And so to have the market step back for a day and actually breathe, I don't think is the worst thing in the world, to tell you the truth.
Your dad, the media has been criticizing him for, boasting about the market on the way up, and then that your father has to own the market when it goes down. What's your reaction to that?
Yeah, it's kind of ironic how that works, right? It's when the market goes up, it's Obama's doing, and when the market goes down, it's Trump's doing. It's I always kind of found that humorous, but. Listen, the market's going to continue to be incredibly, incredibly strong. I think actually right now is probably a great period to buy. And it's not to say it might not go down 3 more points, or, it could shoot up another, 500 points. I mean, we've seen the volatility going up and down, but every indicator in our country is strong right now. Companies are coming back to the U.S. Money is coming back into the U.S. Manufacturing, growing in the U.S. Companies are excited. There's entrepreneurial spirit. Back in this country for the first time ever. Companies can actually conduct business for the first time in many years because they're not getting choked by regulations. I mean, he's done an incredible job. He's eliminated about 1/3 of all nonsense regulations that have choked the death out of companies in this nation. And, all the indicators and all the indices are there. And, this market's going to go much higher over the next year, 2 years, 3 years. I have no doubt about it.
The latest Quinnipiac poll shows your father's approval rating at its highest in 7 months. And Quinnipiac, it's nonpartisan. It's also showing the majority of Americans credit your father and not President Obama for the strength of the economy. And, let me back up. What is it like, though, when your father is criticized for his tweets, his off-the-cuff remarks? I mean, how does it feel?
Listen, does it ever feel nice to see your father criticized? No. At the same time, I think when you sign up for this, you naturally sign up for, a little bit of what comes with it. And you have to have an iron shield. I mean, you just have to. And, if you didn't, quite frankly, you wouldn't last long in this business. And, he's as tough as it comes. And, he's a fighter, and, he fights back. And, I love that about him. And I always say that America needs a fighter, probably more so now than ever before. But it's never fun seeing, somebody you love so much be attacked. And he's incredible at what he does, and he sacrificed a tremendous amount to do this. He's the one person who didn't need to become, president. He sacrificed a tremendous amount, and he worked very hard, and, he put a lot of his own money behind him. And, he wanted to do one great thing. He wanted to make America great again. He wanted to have the stock market soar as it's been doing. He wanted to have, companies come back to our nation. If you look at between 2001 when NAFTA was signed, under Bill Clinton, and 2016, we lost 70,000 factories in this country. They left our country. They went to Mexico. They went to China. They went all over the world. We lost 70,000 factories in that roughly 15-year period of time. Mm-hmm. I would see him read a newspaper and shake his head, saying, "Come on, we're better than this as Americans. I mean, we should be growing factories in this country, not losing factories in this country." And, he's an amazing man. I love him to death. He's one of my closest friends in the world, and I'm proud of everything that he's accomplished, even though he has to, take a lot of nonsense with it as well.